Hi, online biologists, and here we are in week 11 of our Bio 11 course. So there was no new lecture material this week because at the end of the week you have your big unit exam number 4 that covers a lot of content from the last few weeks, mainly about the biology of the human body. So use this week to prepare. Look at the study guide that's available for you in Canvas, the study guide for exam 4, because it tells you everything that's covered in the exam, as well as giving you some examples of possible essay questions that you might encounter on the exam. So I highly recommend that you take a look at that study guide early in the week, just so that you know how to get ready and the types of content, the type of material that you have to cover. And so that unit exam 4 is due Sunday night. So of course the other thing we have going on is our CSA trial that we started this week. So now that you've seen the cases and you read over the cases and you had a look at the evidence in all the evidence envelopes and also the big evidence on the table in the lab, you can use this time this week to really think about, read the case study over again, the police report, so that you have a good sense of the questions that are being asked, who the suspects are, questions that you might have, and then take a look at your notebook, your lab notebook, and read over the different pieces of evidence that you saw. Remember, you got to see what those pieces of evidence were, and in Canvas you have that list of where all those pieces of evidence were found. So start thinking about how those pieces might be coming together, and importantly, that way, when you guys meet up again in lab next week, you'll already know which specific pieces of evidence you want to prioritize in terms of running some tests on in the lab to really see what they are. Okay, so use this week to make sure that you're familiar with the case, communicate with your team about strategies, compare notes, and get ready for the unit exam 4. So that's it for this week. So have a good week, and I'll see you on Monday.